Hello, my beautiful people from Bangkok again. I just came back from vacation. Now I'm having this wonderful papaya cut amazingly in this pattern, and it's a few hours before my wake-up call to Sydney, Australia. And this flight is such a long flight. It takes so many days, and I'm so hungry. Actually, I had my favorite coffee in Groove in Central World in Bangkok here. I took BTS metro station from the hotel from Sarasak, just a few stations, and I was there. Very crowded, by the way, and I woke up so late, so now I had to force myself to go out, otherwise the layover will be so quick, just so short. And I'm very excited for Sydney, honestly, so much excited. I haven't been there for, I guess, more than 1 year. I visited Melbourne, Brisbane, Adelaide and Perth, but not Sydney. I have so many places. My favorite seafood basket is waiting for me, very, very nice. So now I'm gonna eat, get ready for the flight. And guys, your questions, sometimes you ask on YouTube videos, Maria, why are you always alone? Like, why nobody is always with you? And guys, the answer is very, very simple, because some crew are here for the first time, like me 5 years ago, but some crew as well visited here so many times, been on vacation, so of course they have friends and they have favorite places to go. Some people just go shopping, you know, some crew just go for the purpose of shopping to Bangkok, so MBK to Siam Paragon, which is a bit more expensive, and this wonderful cinema inside. Oh, they have beds and room service facilities, and just wonderful for the price of 1,000 baht ticket. Amazing lounge and beautiful. And like me, I've been here on vacation with my boyfriend, and now I just go and relax and go to my favorite places, and I pick up items that I need. I go to the shops that I like. So that's why we always split, especially on such long trips. Like yesterday, guys went out to one of the streets to try local food, street food. They went party a lot, and me, I don't really need it, so that's why we always split. That's why you will not really see anyone with me, because I go exploring and I have my list, must visit list, and must must buy list. So that's the answer. Very, very easy, very easy. But still, if you have any questions, please comment below. I have time, I'll answer all of them, okay? So I'm better eat this papaya and get ready for the flight. See you in Sydney, guys. That's the sky bar and the stairs just over there, which we are not allowed to take any photos. And that's the restaurant. And the restaurant goes to the sky bar just over here that changes different colors. So you can see on the view. Just sorry. Just like that. I'm going back to Nasi with the cocktail.
Madam, for you.
So this one is the
Berry mania.
Berry Mania.
With a hot dog.
No, it's medium.
Hardly any more.
So that's the lemon grass.
Lemon macchiato.
Lemon grass drink
Lemon ice caramel macchiato.
from Happy Beef place. There's many people here, tourists. So hopefully it's gonna be fine. It's delicious. And to start with, we have the fried rolls and something else, vegetables. And we're in this lovely place inside Central World. It's called Brook. And it's a beautiful, lovely area. It's trees, and you can have bars, and you have different events over here. Restaurants upstairs there. And we are sitting right now at 1881. Here. 1881 lounge place. It's pretty cool. It's really nice. So the lights, lovely. Lovely. So we're waiting for. So that's the cinema in Siam Paragon. That is amazing. You got the juices, black currant juices, and the tea selection and coffee, and it's really nice. Very beautiful and complimentary everything. Very nice.
5 minutes.
And the tickets we got, yes. Oh, my green jasmine tea. Very nice. And that's the beautiful lounge. So that's the cinema itself. Big seats.
When was the
Like really
last time you
spacious,
did
and
what
you
you
have your
wanted?
controls over here.
Not what you were supposed to do.
Blankets, and you've got your
When was the last
water.
time you didn't have a plan?
You've got your
No agenda.
button, the call bell, and the lights, which you can
When was the
switch
last
on and
time you
off.
just drifted?
Just looks like that.
Never mind the last time. It's this time that matters.
So we're in the place
Masha.
called February. Yes, and there's a fresh coconut.
Masha doesn't want to eat.
Masha wanna eat so much. And more food just came. So this one we almost finished. Chili prawns. Chicken with cashew nuts.
I don't know what's this.
Should be sour. Maybe it's wasabi. What that?
Very good.
A little sandwich here in the mall. Like people taking photos and videos. And elephant sandwich. So we're on the territory of Siam Paragon. Everything is decorated for Christmas already. And a lot of people just wandering, taking photos around menu life. That's really, really nice. It's a beautiful design. We're in the mall next to Siam Paragon. The concept is really cool. Very nice. What's up the coffee shop with little teddy bears? I think it's really cool. Beautiful design. And that's the shop in the cave which we found.
November, even the registration is same.
Virgin Atlantic.
Only 340, yeah?
Which one is Kuwait Airways?
Okay, car you have 4G.
Kuwait Airways here. Same registration number. Any Emirates planes? It's so many different airlines. And the cars, oh look at that. Very nice, antique Ferrari cars. Oh, wonderful, very nice. Look at this one, it's so beautiful.
They have a GT.
Where? No way. What is GT? This one? Oh my gosh. What GT they have? So we just came to the Contemporary Museum of Mocha in Bangkok, and we're just gonna go up and see everything. Thank you, Kapon Kahapon. That's everything from Bangkok. So we're just going in the city today, and it's really crazy because everything's closed. All roads because of the bike race. But it's really nice. This is here. Ah, beautiful. and after a very long flight, which was almost 9 hours, just came to Sydney, and this is my favorite place, Darling Harbour. It's very beautiful at night as well, and the only reason I did all this way from the hotel to this place is because there is a restaurant just next to the wheel with an amazing seafood basket. Yes, so that's how it looks like. And I think somebody gonna now eat and relax and really enjoy it. So